So you want to record or stream vertical videos using OBS Studio. Awesome. Let me walk you through setting up a vertical layout that works perfectly for places like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. It's actually pretty straightforward. First off, you might want to create a fresh profile just for this vertical setup. Up at the top menu, click on Profile, then choose Add Profile. Give it a clear name, something like Vertical Video, so you remember what it's for later on. It might ask you to optimize it for streaming or recording. I'll go with streaming. For base resolution, go with display resolution. For FPS, prefer 60 when possible. For stream information, don't select anything and cancel it, as you can switch to different platforms in the future easily. Next, go into File, then Settings, and find the Video tab. This is where the main change happens. You need to set both the base canvas resolution and the output scaled resolution to 1080 by 1920. That basically flips everything into portrait mode instead of the usual wide view. Keep FPS value as it is. Once you hit Apply, then OK, you'll see your preview in OBS suddenly turn vertical. Don't worry, that's exactly what should happen. Now, you just need to tweak your sources. Grab things like your webcam, screen capture, or any images, and drag and resize them to fit nicely inside that tall, narrow frame. And that's really it. You're all set to start recording or streaming in vertical format. Pretty simple once you know the steps, right? You can easily switch to the old profile in the Profile menu. Hope this guide helps you get started with your vertical videos. If it did, liking the video and subscribing to the channel really helps out. Feel free to drop a comment too. I always appreciate hearing from you. Take care.